Hi, good morning, happy Vlogmas day 12. Yeah, is it day 12 already? Yes, happy Vlogmas day 12. I hope you're all doing good. I am doing wonderful, thank God. So today we just have a few I have a few things I have to do on the road today. So I will be taking you along with me. Yeah, I'm not too sure if it's gonna be short or anything, but yeah. So right now I'm just gonna drop my son off at school and then I'll take you along with me. I have a few places that I have to go to. I think I have to go to Walmart. Sorry, I think I have to go to Walmart as well, but yeah, I'll take you along with me. I hope your Vlogmas is doing well, for anyone that's doing Vlogmas out there, because I'm trying to catch up still. I'm still trying to catch up. I'm not gonna stop. I'm just trying to catch up with everything. Right, okay, so please do hit the subscribe button if you have not. Also hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or anything you want to ask me. Hi guys, so I am at the fabric store. I'm looking for fabric, not these. I'm looking for some fabric. I need like a curtain type fabric, a modern looking curtain type. I forgot what the name of it is. I went on Pinterest, got some ideas, and I'll probably show you in the clip here something of an idea of what I want, right, to make the curtains. I'm not a perfect sewer. I can do something though. Right, so yeah, I'm just looking for materials that I want, and then that's it. I'll be leaving here soon. I'm almost done. I wanted already. I already chose what I wanted already. So yeah, I'm just waiting in line basically to get it measured. And that's it. Hi guys, so I'm now at Canadian Tire. I'm on the hunt for a LED light, Christmas light that I was trying to get on Amazon, but for some reason the price went up on Amazon. So hopefully Canadian Tire have it. They have a lot of trees here and stuff like that, so they have a lot of light. So hopefully I can get it here, and it's just gonna be a quick thing because I'm not planning to stay in here for like half an hour, probably 10 minutes, 15 minutes the max, you know what I mean? So that's why I just want to hurry up and leave from here because I have more things to do, and I try to do a lot in today, to, you know, cramp everything into today to do a lot. Oh, they have a lot of tree toppers there. The prices ain't bad enough. So yes, alright, let me go people, let me go try to see if I can find the light, the LED light that I'm looking for. Hi guys, so I'm here at TNT. I did not get the LED lights that I wanted from Canadian Tire, so I purchased it online on Amazon right then and there. I did have it in my cart, so just in case I didn't find it. Well, it's a different one. It's not the same one as before, because the one that I wanted on Amazon was a totally different one to the one I bought. So I'm at TNT now getting some fruits and some probably some fish, but look what I found, yo. It's like a baby bananas. Yes, they were here. Look at baby bananas. I remember these like from back home, some baby bananas. No, I will not be getting them. But yeah, so I'm just gonna quickly run through here, get what I need to get, and then I'll be out. No less than 25 minutes at least. One of the things that I like about TNT, that they do they bake their own buns and stuff, right? So I'm in love with this bun. If I can find it. Oh, here it is. So it's, if you guys can see that, come on, focus. Okay. Yeah, well, it's coconut raisin bun. So this is how it looks. Let me get in the light. That's how it looks, and trust me, it tastes good and it moist. And them have coconut with almond in their bakery, and they do everything from scratch over there. Everything from scratch from over there. Well, I believe I do everything from scratch, but yes. So this is where I come to get fresh bakery stuff as well. You can get all your fresh meats in here too as well. And if all the Jamaican know back home, we love our chicken foot. That's a good price. Well, chicken feet and turkey neck. You know what I mean? And you have some oxtail over here already chopped. They're expensive though. Go small piece for $10. See that, people? $10 for that small amount. That's the fish section. All the fish section. Smell fishy around here, man. Smell fishy. We have shrimp. Let me check if they have any on sale. Cause well, not really the sale that I want. Wish they can do better. Wish them not going to. Just have to pass. Shrimp over there, and them have a lot of meatball. Them more meatballs. Their style of fish balls. Different types of fish balls. I have squid. Looks disgusting. Octopus. Oh. Yeah. It's not. No, that's just the battery backup for $169.
No, it's $169 for it. I'm gonna buy it.
So it's $24 for this one.
Oh, I'm gonna buy 600.
Now listen to you. You make people feel embarrassed when they go up and go to the cashier. Look how this big.
Still can't match with the sound.
No, this is 12 inch. Oh, that one, the iPad Pro. No, we're just researching around. Good morning, good morning. Let me turn this down. Good morning, everyone. YouTube family. How is it going? I'm here. Happy Vlogmas day 13. Wow. You probably see this one before you see the other two that I have to upload. Or something. How you guys all doing? How is the Christmas going so far? Are you prepping for Christmas? Are you having a Christmas party or a Christmas dinner? Well, we're hosting a Christmas dinner, so everyone is coming over to our house. So I have to be all over the place getting stuff ready, if you know what I mean. Alright, so but I hope you guys are doing good so far, you know. I pray for you guys. God bless you guys, and thank you so much for my new subscribers. I think I did hit a milestone of 1.1k subscribers now, which I'm so grateful for. Thank you so much. Yes, so yeah, I just dropped my son off work and I have to go on the road now. Right, these videos maybe be totally random because I'm just going all over the place trying to get ready for Christmas dinner and Christmas. But yeah, please do continue watching. If you do like, give it a thumbs up. Right, also remember to subscribe as well. Right, so hi guys, I'm here. I'm done. Sorry, we never get to vlog much where I was because I was all over the place today. I picked up my friend Caitlin, my friend that had a baby recently. I picked her up and she had to go to a doctor's appointment, and we went shopping together at the mall, then go to Walmart. So I just dropped her home. Right, I got a lot of stuff. A carpet that layers in the back. I don't know if you can see. The front is full of stuff right here. Then I went grocery shopping and dollar store shopping as well. So yeah, that's about it. I probably go home and end the vlog when I'm at home. Yes, I know it's kind of boring, so I never see how my day went in because it was busy. It was busy though. Yeah. Thank you for watching.